You're waiting at a red light, headphones in, lost in your own world, and suddenly your car roars past you. Not just any car, a deep, growling engine that rattles your chest. Your heart skips a beat. People turn, some annoyed, some impressed. And in that moment, one question hits you. Why would anyone want to make their car this loud? What if I told you that it is not just about cars?
What?
It's about people. Humans have always used objects, clothing, and even sound to signal who they are. A loud car is no different. Today, we are going to explore the psychology behind loud cars, from attention and rebellion to thrill-seeking and social status. By the end, you might even see these drivers in a whole new light. Let's start with attention. Humans are wired to be seen. Think about it. Since childhood, we seek validation. A smile, a compliment, recognition. Loud cars are just another form of social signaling. By making their car roar, drivers are saying, "Notice me. I exist." And it works. You've seen it. People glance, heads turn. A sound that hits your chest is impossible to ignore. It's not subtle. It's bold, like a neon sign flashing, "Here I am." But it's not just about being seen. It's about identity. Car enthusiasts often build their vehicles to reflect their personality. A lowered hatchback with a throaty exhaust tells you something about the driver. Rebellious, confident, or obsessed with precision. The car becomes an extension of themselves. A man goes to a car meet. His car is stock in appearance, but when he revved it, the entire block felt it. He said, "I like people to know I'm here without having to say anything." That's attention-seeking in its purest form. Loud cars also represent rebellion. It's an audible middle finger to rules, to authority, to the ordinary. The louder the car, the more the driver feels untouchable, untamed. It's a way to push boundaries without directly confronting anyone. This is especially common in adolescence and early adulthood. Your brain is hardwired to seek novelty. It thrives on thrills and risk. And nothing delivers that like a roaring engine and the vibrations in your chest. Think about the dopamine hit, a chemical reward your brain gives when you do something exciting, unexpected, or risky. And for some drivers, modifying a car to sound louder is a legal, socially acceptable way to chase that high. Imagine a quiet neighborhood. A car pulls up. The engine growls. Dogs bark. Windows shake. People complain, but the driver feels alive. That vibration, that power, they chase it every day. It's rebellion, freedom, and thrill all at once. Loud cars are also about belonging. Car culture is a world unto itself. At meets, the loudest car often draws the largest crowd. It's a way of signaling skill, dedication, and sometimes even wealth. Within these circles, sound equals status. Someone spends months tuning in exhaust, customizing parts, adjusting airflow, not just to annoy neighbors, but to earn respect among peers. Loudness becomes a badge of honor, a way to stand out in a community where everyone already loves cars. It's not just about vanity, it's about connection. People gravitate toward others who share their passions. A roaring car says, "I belong here. I'm one of you." Finally, there's the thrill of risk. Some drivers are naturally high in sensation-seeking traits. They chase intensity, whether it's through loud engines, speed, or late-night cruising. The vibrations, the rumble, the look on bystanders' faces. All of it delivers a small adrenaline spike. And it's not always reckless. For many, it's carefully calculated. The goal isn't danger, it's excitement, the thrill of sound, presence, and control. So next time you hear that rumble down the street, don't just think of it as noise. It's attention, rebellion, community, and thrill, all rolled into metal and horsepower. Psychology shows us why humans do what they do. Loud cars are a glimpse into human behavior, a reminder that we all crave recognition, excitement, and belonging in different ways. Do you know someone who loves their loud car? Comment below and share your story.